Hi dearies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today I'm going to show us how to make this beautiful halo crown. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's get started. Here are the things needed for the halo crown. I have my glue gun here with an extra stick of glue. Here are the skewers, wooden skewers. Here is a piece of carton I'm going to use to cut out the hairband. Here is my hairband, my UHU, my tape. Here are some few pear beads and glitters. So first of all, I'm going to take the measurement right away. So I can take you can take any length you want depending on what you want or how high you want it to be. So the first thing to do is to place it at the midpoint of this hairband. So from here I should be able to trace out what I want, then I'll start reducing it as it goes. So the first one at the middle here is going to be the longest and the rest will start decreasing. Okay, so I think this length is okay for me, so I'll simply take the measurement now. So let me take it. I have 8 inches here, so 8 is just okay for me. So I'll just use my scissors to add mark there so that it will be easy for me to break. So after screwing it a little round, I'll just break it like this. Then I will take the next one and place it close to it. Since they are close to each other, it's going to be the one next to it directly. It's going to reduce just a little. Okay, can you see that? You see the distance is just very few inches away from the first one. So I'll just add a mark here and cut it as well. Break it like this. After now, I'll start cutting them in twos. Okay, so that first one serves as the first one, and the next one is going to be two, one here and one here. So I'll start cutting them one here, one here. So that's how I'm going to cut them in decreasing order. Here are they. I finished cutting them. Then I'll place my hairband right here on the carton and use my pen to trace it out. You can cut out the whole band, but me, I want it half, kind of half. So I'll first of all mark it like this. Thereafter, I will just add some few inches to it like this and trace it up all the way around. I want the midpoint to be higher. Okay, I want this very point to be higher, so I'll trace it to that point like this, then start decreasing again till I get to this down part. Then I'll cut it out. Here is the spray I'm going to use, the spray paint. The cover always indicate the color inside. Okay, so here is the water I'm going to use, and of course my cutting board. Cutting board is going to be used in picking these glitters that you see here. So the water there is just to enable the cutting board soak in the water so you can pick enough of the glitters. Then right now I'll just add some glue to the top of the hairband like this. Note that the carton is not compulsory to place carton. You can as well place your skewers directly on top of the band, but I prefer using it because it enables my skewer relax on it so it can be firm. Okay, so it's a matter of choice. You can decide to add. You're welcome once again to this channel, Ahviworld. If you are new here, you are very welcome, and I hope you are enjoying what you are seeing. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that so that you'll be getting more creative videos like this from us. And if you have subscribed before now, you are doing the right thing, and I hope you are also enjoying our content here. Okay, thereafter I will just add my glue at this midpoint and start adding the skewers. So I'll start from this very place. Remember, I cut out one single one which serve as the base for all of them, so I will start adding on both sides. So I'll add, you can see that I separated them. I separated them there, so I'll start picking from one side and keep adding. The more I add, the more it's reducing because of the way I cut them. Remember, I want them to start decreasing or to be in a decreasing order, so that's why it's like this. Then once I want to start from this other side now, I'll add some glue again and start picking from this other can you see that I start picking from here because one is supposed to be on the right and the other on the left hand side. So I'll just continue like that till I go around the band.
This is Ahviworld.
Always ensure to adjust it. You know that the moment you add glue, you're supposed to hold it down there so that it can stay before removing your hands, so it will not shift. You can see that I'm done, so all I need to do now is to add extra glue on top of it. Add as much as possible to secure it. Don't be scared about enough glue on top there, because as you spray it, everything is going to cover up. So now I'm just going to spray. Before you spray, ensure that you shake it very well, then start spraying. Can you see that? Wow, this is amazing. You can even leave it like this, but I want to still add some embellishment to it. Can you see these roses? If you don't know how to make it, kindly check the link below. You will see it there. Then I will just add some glue at the back, then place it right here. So you can use any kind of rose to embellish yours. You can buy artificial roses, but these I decided to make them myself. So that's another patch stone. I will also leave the description below. This is lovely. So now I'll just add some pear beads to them. Not all, I will alternate them. Can you see that? So they will just go in right there. Then I will add some glue at the tip to secure it so it will not fall off. Okay. Here I'm going to start adding the glitters. So I will simply dip the cutting board into this water. Then my UHU, first of all, I will add some glue to the skewers one after the other. Then I will use the cutting board, pick some of the glitters, then add it to that part where I added the glue initially, like this. You just touch it and dab it in so it can stay. Let me turn it so you can see very well. Now I'll start dabbing it in like this. The essence of dipping the cutting board into the water so that I can pick enough of the glitters. Can you see that I'm done with it? So I also add some glitters to this my roses as well. In each of the petals, I will just add some glue at the petals, the edge of the petals, like this. Then I will drop some glitters also at the edge so that it can give you that amazing look. Can you see that? It's as simple as ABC. Is this not lovely? Wow, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Can you see those shining glitters there? It's amazing. You could make this for a bridal shower or for baby shower at the comfort of your home for pre-wedding shoots. Can you see it on me? Wow, this is looking beautiful. Have you learned something new today? Of course, I know you have learned something new today. So please give us thumbs up and feel free to share this video with your friends, okay? And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Wow, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. You can use this for your duduke. You know why? This is nice. Wow, I'm loving this. Stay tuned for more videos. This is Queen of Africa. No, no, no. Africa is too small. Queen of the whole world. I love you. Bye.